Don't you ever wonder how we have evolved from print, audio to the visual media? How media has vastly influenced the human race in shaping our ideas, our thought process, and finally the way we react to their content. Today, with the Conclusive Indian, we are going to talk all about the evolution of the print media. The first ever evidence of printing can be traced from the Tang dynasty of China, where wooden blocks were used to carve text and paintings. And by 1425, printing was done on large scale. A huge transition in printing came when John Gutenberg from Germany developed the printing press in 1440, which could easily produce 3600 pages per day with the evolution of a more durable oil based ink. His two inventions, the hand mold and the printing press, together drastically reduced the cost of printing. Now, let's dig into the evolution of printing press in the Indian context. The printing press came to India when Portuguese missionaries brought it to Goa in the 16th century. They learned Konkani and printed tracts in the local languages. In 1579, the Catholic priest published the first ever Tamil book. By 1674, more than 50 plus books were sold and printed in Kannada and Konkani languages. East India Company also played a crucial role in exporting prints in the 17th century. With the arrival and the foundation of Bengal Gazette by James Augustus Hickey, printing now became widespread in the Indian context. It was a weekly commercial newspaper which is often given the credits of starting the English language press in India. With the spread of printing press in other parts of India played a crucial role in promoting education, literacy and ideas to the other states. Printed material now became a source of business, a voice of the population, and also created demands for books. Books and the printed text now contributed to the social and political movements in the country. Many nationalist journals like Bande Mataram, started by Bipin Chandra Pal and edited by Aurobindo Ghosh, spread revolutionary ideas in Bengal. Swaraj is another example of the national journal started by Subhash Chandra Bose, which ignited the feeling of nationalism within its reader and challenged the British government and its ideas. Indian Opinion, Hindu, and Kesari, which was produced by Bal Gangadhar Tilak to promote the ideas of self rule, are various examples of national journals of India which rose during the time of the print evolution. Namaste, this was me, Shreya Singh, and you were watching The Conclusive Indian.